click on it, you go to your SMS app and consume the SMS from there. So what is happening also, we are seeing that notifications are starting to get richer, right? It is not just like you click on the notification and you go to the app and consume it there, but you can do actionables from the notification itself, right? So kind of notification is becoming a platform where the UI is also inside the notification in some smart way, right? So this is also an idea of how notification is also messaging, right? This is another idea of how notifications or messaging is becoming a platform. So having said all this, we also have created a module of our own for social shopping, the Ask a Friend module. So I'll invite my colleague here, Madhu, who heads our solution engineering team, to demonstrate to us, the module that we have created for Ask a Friend. Over to you, Madhu.
Thanks, Kunal. I think I don't need this, right? Yeah. So while my team is setting the demonstration, I would just like to ask, let's say we are on Flipkart or Jabong or eBay, right? And you want to buy a product, for example. And you are confused about the product, you read about the reviews, but let's say you are trying to buy a camera. Okay, I have a couple of friends in my friend circle and they know more about camera, right? How do you do that today? How do you take those suggestions back from your friends? How do you post it? You like share on Facebook and you just ask, right? Yeah. Any other mechanism? WhatsApp. So you take a picture, basically you click a picture and then you share it on WhatsApp and then you ask for the feedback, right? So for this demonstration, I think we need to on this. Okay. For this demonstration, we are can you just scroll it up, please? Yeah. For this demonstration, we are trying to take an hypothetical e-commerce website called as Metro Shop, and there are a lot of products over here. Our colleague Praful, he wants to basically buy this phone, right? And he has quite a good friend circle who are very much aware of mobile and recent trends in terms of features, and he's trying to ask his friends. So he just clicks on the product page for Ask a Friend. So TeamChat provides, you can sign in using email, basically your email. That is the typical, hypothetical application user. That is the Metro app user, or via your Facebook or your Google account, right? Let's say he's a Metro app user and he signs in using his email. He just enters his name. So he will receive an OTP on his phone. I'm sure. Did you get that? Yeah. So he's entering the OTP just to authenticate himself as the valid user of that email. Right? So far so good. So now he has to create a group, right, among his friends. So why don't you add Kunal and Bharat. Bharat is one of our colleague, so he's expert in mobility. So he's just going to add him as well. Let's say my office group, yeah. He's creating a group name. Very important point here, the group right now what you are creating, right, it is reusable group. So today, currently is using this group to ask about this particular phone, but he'll be also using the group for subsequent times, right. So he's just creating a group, very traditional way, creates a group with couple of his friends. Now, I want to orchestrate one very important difference between all that Kunal explained about Flipkart or Quikr. There was a fundamental difference that to take any suggestion or to basically chat among the other friend, you got to be in the same platform, right? So we saw in Flipkart, your friend has to be on Flipkart and provided you have a ping installation in that. Same with the Quicker, with the chat part of it, right? But here, currently, Kunal is not on this hypothetical app of ours, but Bharat is. So can you just post this message? So he's just taking a quick poll about this, and that's Kunal's email inbox. Yeah, can you see that? So it's extremely platform agnostic. So Kunal is not on team chat, neither on the hypothetical app, but he just added his email, so he gets a message over there. And Kunal is completely directed towards the same product, real estate, and the chat bubble opens up over there, and Kunal will be seeing the exact same message. Now please observe, this screen is basically the friend screen, and this is the initiator screen. Now Kunal is going to reply something to that, and please observe this part as well. This is where Praful initiated his conversation. So Kunal says yes, he says yeah, I like the phone. Can you see the reply here? So Kunal went in his email inbox, he replied to that. Praful is still on the Metro app, and he's able to see that. And Kunal also, I guess he replied with yes. Kunal, why don't you comment? Yep. Kunal commented, go for it, and he's able to see that, right? Now let me also show you this.
How did you reach there? I got a link.
Yeah, you got a deep link over there on your email, right? You got a link on your email. It's opening up?
No, it's not opening.
Okay. So this is the message here. So any user who is not on the platform, automated link goes in, and then you become a part of that via a OTP, or if there is a server to server, the details will be again shared by Nirmesh. You will basically become a user of this platform, and you can use it.
So the guy who gets it also has to verify?
Not in email this way, not this way, but there are ways. If you want him to be forced and you want him to do an OTP, even that is one more mechanism that we provide.
So the moment I click, this window opens up with the chat box.
Yes, because you are interested to take the feedback, right? And you are not on the platform yet. But you want to just go to that product website, and then you want to reply to your friend, right?
Because it is in your email inbox, we already know who you are, right? So it's already in your email.
Right. So that way we know we are sending to the right person, right? Now, Praful, I would request you, as one of the gentlemen said, that you would share it on Facebook as well, right? So, Praful, why don't you share the thing on Facebook? So, Praful is sharing on his wall. And simultaneously, we can see Hitesh logging in his Facebook account, because these guys are friends on Facebook. So Hitesh has visibility of Praful's wall. We can log in from dev website later on. Right? So Praful shared from this particular product website, and then it goes on Facebook. So I'll request Hitesh to just give a feedback about the phone to Praful. Same thing, again he goes to the product page. Yeah. Oh, so Hitesh, you say you didn't like the phone, is it? Okay. So I think you may give a negative comment on that. Can you see here? The comment is in real time getting updated. It's very old model, right? So we are trying to demonstrate a social experience, platform agnostic. One we saw on Facebook, and the other one on the email. Also, you can see the same thing. Bharat, when I said, can you go to the room page, please, once? So this is the user. These are the users in this room. You can see Bharat here. Bharat is also actually on the platform, so you can directly see the name. But we are facing some technical difficulties with the app because of internet issues, I guess. So I'm not able to show you. I'm sorry for that. But even Bharat will be seeing the exactly the same group, and he can reply, provided he'll be seeing rest of his groups. You want to log in from there? Okay. Bharat. So one more interesting thing, we are mobile first, but we also have a website for this platform. So we'll show you through the website. Please let me know if you're not following the demo. So far so good? Okay, great. No, Bharat basically maintains a lot of his accounts, so he's a typical developer. Why don't you do that? Forgot the password, or I'm a mobile user. Oh, really? Brilliant. So Bharat, the re-entry flow is working, is it? So you can see the group here, right? Office colleagues. So this is our platform, and since Bharat was already a user of this platform, he directly gets into the room list of his app. So Bharat, why don't you comment on this? And this is Praful's. Praful, can you go to your room? So you're gonna fund him or you're gonna gift him, Bharat? Okay, here you can see the real-time update, right?